Good morning guys, welcome to the video. Today we are still in Los Angeles. Right now we are heading to
Alfred's Coffee.
Alfred's Coffee, which apparently is famous, is it George?
Well, I've seen it on TikTok a few times.
Seen it on TikTok?
I don't know if it's famous.
So famous. We are on Melrose Avenue, this one. We've just parked all the way down there. Free street parking down there, which is good. So we're gonna get this coffee, and then the plan for today is, George?
Head to Beverly Hills. A few different things like Sunset Boulevard, maybe. Where else?
Sunset Boulevard, Hollywood Hill. No, we've done the hills, Beverly Hills, and then a few more other things. It seems we're in an extra nice area. All I see is Range Rover, Land Rover, Tesla, Porsche, Discovery, Mercedes, Lexus, Tesla. I think it's like Tesla capital of America, to be honest, because there's Teslas everywhere, aren't there, George?
Yeah, they're literally everywhere.
Yeah, and we're in our trusty Fiat 500. If you want to see more footage of that car, watch the previous video, because we're driving around in that. We went to Santa Monica. Santa Monica Pier.
That's where we went yesterday.
That's where we went yesterday. Yeah, so we're going to head to Alfred's Coffee now. And we've got it. I got iced chocolate, iced mocha, and a chocolate blueberry muffin. George, what did you get?
It's called the Cloud or something.
The Cloud.
It's like cream with vanilla and stuff like that. Not too sure.
Oh, nice.
And a
Chocolate cookie. We're going to demolish these and then jump back in the car. Just done with Alfred Coffee. Couldn't film too much because there was a lady yapping her head off, like right next to us.
Oh my god, I can't even. Literally
Georgie was not impressed.
So loudly.
Yeah.
And you could just tell she was sorry. Hate people from sorry.
She was just yapping about like some gelato business or something. But anyway, that is amazing. Like the blueberry muffin I had was like one of the best I've ever had, and the mocha was amazing.
Well, it was raspberry muffin.
No, it was like blueberry chocolate, raspberries. Oh, raspberry chocolate. Don't know. Anyway, we are heading to
the Pink Wall.
The Pink Wall.
5-minute walk away.
5-minute walk all the way. Oh wait, I think I can see it. All the way down there, Pink Wall. Anyway, we'll see you at the Pink Wall. And we have arrived at the Pink Wall. It's just the Paul Smith shop. Just happens to be pink, I think. Yeah, but that's quite cool, isn't it? So apparently this gets repainted 3 or 4 times a year because it gets vandalized 3 or 4 times a year. And it looks like it's just being repainted now by the looks of it. We just went inside. Some good clobber in there, but very expensive here. I think it's way cheaper in the UK because the guy's from like Nottingham, I think. Or the guy who created the brand anyway. So yeah, there's the Pink Wall. On to the next place, which is, George?
Not actually sure, maybe
Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills sign and the Beverly Hills. So yeah, we're gonna, it is very hot. We're roasting here,
but me in that aircon.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna go back to the car, get in the aircon, and then drive to the Beverly Hills. Okay,
we had a bit of trouble finding the car again as we forgot where we parked it, but a lovely guy helped us actually.
Yeah, nice gentleman. Nice
gentleman, yes. Heading to Beverly Hills now. It's about a 15-minute drive apparently. It also says that everywhere, and then it's literally a 23-minute drive. Took us over an hour yesterday, so yeah, the traffic is insane. Yeah,
but Beverly Hills sign.
Yes,
that's the one.
What he said. We have arrived.
Huh? And as Georgie said, we have arrived in Beverly Hills. Them palm trees look insane, don't they, George?
They really do.
They really do. The Beverly Hills sign is just over there. We're going to attempt to cross the road. Oh, maybe not. There is cars and people are getting photos right in the middle of the road. Stupid idiots. Yeah, Beverly Hills. Oh, there's a drone there. Wonder what that's doing. I might ask if I can see if I can get that footage, if we can find the drone flyer, because I don't actually think you're allowed to fly a drone here. Or like in a lot of areas. So I might ask if he can send me the footage over. Yeah, so we're gonna head to the sign over there.
Here we have arrived at the sign.
This apparently is the most famous small town in the world. That's strange. I wonder why. If anyone knows that, drop it down in the comments, because I'm intrigued to see why that is the world's most famous town in the world. It's the world's most smallest, the smallest, most famous town in the world. We've just left the Beverly Hills sign and we're heading back to the car now. We're going to drive down this palm tree road because I think it looks pretty cool. Georgie's just there taking a photo. But yeah, we're going to have a little drive. Maybe hit the hills, not sure. And then we're going to go grab some food after.
Okay, so now we're just going to head to Rodeo Drive. This sign is just over there. And yeah, we're just going to continue driving along. We have just been threatened by a crazy man who said,
"What are you looking at?
What are you guys looking at?" Well, let's just say he was using some ruder words than that. So I think this is where all the expensive shops are and stuff like that. Right, we found a spot. Gonna get out.
Parallel parked into it.
Yeah, really, he's actually a very good parallel parker.
Yep.
So we're gonna get out now and just have a little walk around and a little explore.
Looks sick though, like all them like expensive shops and stuff are there. And what was I gonna say? And yeah, it's like looks like from GTA. Well, GTA is based on this obviously, but it actually looks sick. And we're walking down the shops now. There's amazing cars. There's a Ferrari back there, and then look, Porsche, G-Wagon, BM, Tesla, or what's this? Porsche, Tesla, just loads of sick cars. Nice little Rolls Royce there. We've walked right down to the bottom then, and it's just literally all shops all the way down. We're just trying to find the toilet now, and then we might pop into a few shops and then grab some scram.
We just went into Dior and tried some of the fragrances.
Did you like them, George?
Yeah, the guy was very helpful.
Yeah, he was very helpful.
I liked the rose one.
Yeah, and I like the Spice Blend. If anyone fancies getting us them, then you can send them to our address, please. Because they're lovely.
Didn't exactly have room in our suitcases.
No, yeah, we didn't have enough room in the suitcase, wink, wink.
Otherwise we would have got them.
Yeah, obviously, we would have got a few, actually.
Yeah,
That's enough of Rodeo Drive then, for me. You, George?
Yeah, done.
Yeah, done with Rodeo Drive.
I think it's pronounced Rodeo.
Oh, Rodeo. Sorry, I keep on mistakenly saying it. We are now going to head for some scran. We've parked all the way at the top, free parking up here. Rodeo Drive is all the way down there. So yeah, we're gonna get some food. What food do you want, George?
I want a drink and maybe like, I would like to try a crumble cookie, but I've already had a cookie.
Oh yeah, well we might get a crumble cookie, but definitely some food for me anyway. So yeah, we'll get some food now. Update,
we are on our way to this street. I think it's called Figuero or something like that.
Yeah, something like that. It's really cool though.
Like a terrace, and saw on TikTok. It's apparently the sunset. The sunset looks really good there, and it's like what's the word?
Famous. It's a famous sunset spot, basically.
Yeah. And you can see the city is what I meant to say. We have decided to take a little detour to Goodwill. I think it's like a thrift store. So we thought, yeah, go on. Of course we'll have a look.
Entering Goodwill now. Nice. And we have left Goodwill. Goodbye, Goodwill. Back in the car.
We've been driving for maybe like half an hour, 40 minutes. And there's been quite a bit of traffic. Also no food stops as of yet. Max wants some McDonald's.
We haven't passed one though, unfortunately.
No,
Continue straight on.
Oh, and Georgie's changed the sat-nav to an Australian guy.
Well, before it was speaking another language, and that was just the first English one that came up, so. But, yeah, getting very thirsty.
Right, guys, so we have arrived, and a famous YouTuber I've been watching for years, Mike Thurston. He's like a gym YouTuber. Been watching for years. Got a little photo with him there. He's got like 1.3 or 1.2 like subs on YouTube, I think, or something. And he's got his little like film crew down there. But anyway, we are here and the view is sick. So we might try and get over to the other street because it's a bit clearer, less trees and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna head there now.
Found a spot, just gonna park up and watch the sun go down.
We've come up a few streets over and the view's even better from up here. Wow. We've just been watching the sunset from here for a bit. We're gonna go, well, I'm gonna go back, grab the car, stick it right there, and get you a little Instagram photo on us, George.
Facts. Oh my god, guess what?
I'm not anymore because she's not paying any attention to me.
Sorry. Okay, so Max has gone to get the car and I'm just waiting, saving the spot. And yeah, might get some pictures in the car. The Instagram has really been lacking, so need to get the content up.
So we're just about to leave now. The sunset's kind of gone, but the lights are coming out, so we're going to take a drive down and get the lights of the buildings on video now.
We are heading to Panda Express for the millionth time.
Yeah. Wait, this is the first time we'll get Panda Express on video. We had it about like 3 days ago, twice in a row, and I thought that was the last time I was ever going to eat Panda Express, but I want it again all of a sudden. So we're going to have Panda Express, and it's so good. You wait until the size of the portion I get. Scrap that. We are in downtown LA and it's dangerous, but we've come to a McDonald's parking lot, parked the car, might grab an ice cream from Mackie D's, and then we are trying out Five Guys, and then if we don't want Five Guys, we'll head to Panda Express, which is in the same car park as this one we're in now. So yeah, we'll be in Five Guys in 3, 2, 1, now. Just back in the whip after our little Five Guys. George, you got a, what was it?
Well, peanut butter and chocolate milkshake, but I think it's like
Reese's Pieces. Yeah, and it's so nice. Anyway, I had a big fat like bacon double cheeseburger. I mean, Georgie, what do you have?
Just a little cheeseburger.
Little cheeseburger, and we had some fries. But that was lovely. And then what? And then nothing. Yeah, so we'll end the video here then, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to see more content of us in LA, the previous video to this is us in LA. We went to the Hollywood sign. What else did we do?
Santa Monica.
Santa Monica Pier. Oh, we had some fun. I lost on the pull-up hanging bar. But check out that video, and then
Spoilers.
we'll have a... Oh yeah, spoilers, sorry guys. And then we'll have a video out tomorrow as well. I don't know what we're doing yet tomorrow, but stay tuned for that one. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today's video.
Bye.
Bye bye.